50 phrasal verbs with their basic, normal, form and advanced, synonymous, form. 1. Put off, postpone. 2. Take on, undertake. 3. Get by, manage. 4. Look up to, admire. 5. Put up with, tolerate. 6. Carry out, execute. 7. Bring about, cause. 8. Settle down, establish. 9. Make up, compose. 10. Turn down, reject. 11. Bring up, raise. 12. Give in, surrender. 13. Take off, depart. 14. Call off, cancel. 15. Look forward to, anticipate. 16. Find out, discover. 17. Point out, indicate. 18. Bring in, introduce. 19. Hold on, wait. 20. Turn up, arrive. 21. Put forward, propose. 22. Carry on, continue. 23. Stand up for, defend. 24. Make out, discern. 25. Break down, analyze. 26. Get along with, have a good relationship with. 27. Go through, experience. 28. Show up, appear. 29. Take up, start. 30. Come across, encounter. 31. Figure out, solve. 32. Sort out, organize. 33. Back up, support. 34. Give up, quit. 35. Put out, extinguish. 36. Set up, establish. 37. Pick up, acquire. 38. Work out, solve. 39. Run into, encounter. 40. Put in, install. 41. Check out, examine. 42. Get over, recover from. 43. Carry off, achieve successfully. 44. Look into, investigate. 45. Take back, retrieve. 46. Stand for, represent. 47. Make do, manage with limited resources. 48. Turn around, reverse. 49. Bring down, reduce. 50. Fill in, complete. Thank you for watching. Happy learning!